Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Heidi here from Chilling with H. I hope that everything is fine and dandy with you guys. And keep watching because I've got a really wonderful recipe for you called breadfruit cutlets. And I hope you enjoy it. I've got a lovely breadfruit and I've made some breadfruit nuggets. You can check out that video for the recipe on breadfruit nuggets, and I'm going to make some breadfruit cutlets. So the same procedure applies. I'm just adding to the seasoned breadfruit mixture 1 cup of corn kernels and a half of carrot finely grated. That's it. We're going to mix it up and we're going to make the cutlets. Keep watching. So you're taking a good amount of the breadfruit mixture with the carrots and whatnot, and you're just going to squeeze it into a ball first so it's going to hold well, right? Then you just, you pat it flat to make a disc. Look at that. And we're going to roll it around in some of the panko breadcrumbs. See how easy the breadcrumbs stick to it because the mixture is so damp, it's so moist, so it holds pretty well. And you don't need a lot of oil for this because the breadfruit is already cooked. The carrot is going to cook through really fast, and so is the corn, so you don't really need a whole lot of oil. So I'm going to show you how to fry these. You can probably bake it, but I hate baking these things because I tend to dry it out. I mean, it's a healthier option. If you have an air fryer, you can try using it in the air fryer. I'm sure it's going to come out perfect in an air fryer, but I don't have one, so hence the reason I use a little bit of oil. I know my channel is all about being fit and healthy and all these things, and you say I'm using so much oil, but as I mentioned before in one of my videos, I'm not on any restrictive diet, so hence the reason. And I try to minimize the amount of oil and use good quality oil that's heart healthy. There are alternatives to making stuff. You just have to find one that's suitable for your needs and liking. I'm just using my thumb here because I'm holding the phone with my other hand to record. Be very gentle when you're flipping because you don't want to break it up. Alright, I just did a quick flip there. You can probably use a spoon to help you. Keep your flame low to moderate. Yay! So I have some of the mixture left back, and I am going to store this in the refrigerator so I can use it in the future. It is a lot left over from making the cutlets and nuggets. If you have a big household with 2 or 3 kids, a husband, a wife, whatever the case is, one breadfruit might be enough for you guys. You can use the whole thing. I didn't use the whole thing, so I'm going to keep this in the fridge and make some hot stuff on mornings when I have to rush to make lunch for work. So if you are like us in the Caribbean, we save butter bowls and we reuse it, we recycle it. So I've got some leftover panko breadcrumbs from what I dipped the cutlets and the nuggets in. Yes, you will have leftovers. It's not going to be damp or moist where it loses its crunchiness, so don't throw it out. I always save mine and I put it back in the fridge and it stays for a pretty long time until you're ready to use again. So this is going in the fridge, plus I still have what's left in the pack. The breadfruit is already heavy. If you've ever had breadfruit, you know what I'm talking about. So you could actually eat the cutlets by itself or with some salad. You could add salad to it or add it to a salad, however you choose to make it. But I think I might just have it just like that. The salad is really good too. You know, you can do some vegetables like cucumber and tomatoes and lettuce and things of that nature, and have it together with the cutlet without bread, without a wrap. You know, there are so many options. Go wild, go creative. That's what being in the kitchen is all about. Don't be afraid of cooking stuff and trying new things. Be creative. Creativity is what brings out deliciousness, let's put it like that, right? So I hope that you guys will enjoy it, and drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're new here. Welcome. I didn't even say that before, so welcome to my channel, and I hope that you guys will subscribe, enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.